How to rekey a mechanical lock. Having the right tools makes the job easy. Depress the knob catch and release the outside knob. Pry off the outside knob lip. Remove the cylinder plug assembly. Remove the C-clip with pliers and a straight pick. Fit the key in the cylinder and turn counterclockwise. Insert plug follower to push plug out of cylinder housing. Keep the plug follower in the housing. Remove the lock pins. Insert the new key into the cylinder. Replace with pins that match your key size. Make sure all pins are flush with the surface of the plug with the key inserted. Using the follower, push the cylinder back into the housing. Operate key to check if plug rotates smoothly. Snap C-clip back on plug. Insert housing and reassemble, making sure to align the catch. Depress the catch and push the knob further onto the shaft. Reinsert key and turn to test the lock.